Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you a app. It's called Videogram. So you can see Videogram is an unofficial app based on Telegram API with video and audio call. So you can see the rating of the 4.3 out of 5 and 140k reviews and 71 megabyte size of the app, and 10 million plus people already downloaded this app. So here is some feature, like it's look like the Telegram app, because this app uses Telegram API. So it's also available in PC, and there is some reviews and ratings. If you want to check, then go there in arrow, and there are 5-star ratings and 1-star ratings. If you want, then you can read before installing. And if you want to check about this app, then go here, and there are some feature. You can see the app is released 2017. So simply click on install, and it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.